Vihangam Techno Holistic Organization. It's a registered society and trust. Its motto is ecstasy for body, mind, soul, and spirit. It's an NGO of humanitarian activities for social welfare, holistic, and spiritual development. Its aims and objectives are spirituality, religious coping, and religious belief are better predictors of happiness and quality of life. Vihangam Techno Holistic Organization is established with the aim to foster ancient knowledge, culture, science, and values with advanced technology to build mentally, physically superpowered, vigorous, bright, talented, and blissful human beings across the globe. The organization is premeditated to have different centers, which are planned to correlate, assist, and promote each other. They are planned innovatively to blend and mold in one multidimensional, multinational techno-holistic hub, which will help to fetch body, mind, soul, spirit level happiness for the human life and also to serve for development and uplifting of mankind. Our board of advisory members are Dr. Vinod Gajanan Shah, who is honorary physician to Governor of Maharashtra, former member steering committee, Planning and Commission of India, International Director, International Federation on Aging, founder and chairman Janaseva Foundation, Pune, having special consultative status from United Nations Organization UNO, specially felicitated by former President of India, renowned gastroenterologist, ex-professor of medicine for MD and DNB, ex-Senate member of SP Pune University, renowned expert member on board of lifelong learning and expansion of SP Pune University. Then second advisory member is Dr. Vishwas Vasant Mandlik, who is Rushi Dharmajyoti, founder and president Yoga Gurukul Nashik, founder and president Yoga Vidya Dham, committee member Ayush Mumbai, renowned author of 50 books on yoga, naturopathy, director Yoga Naturopathy Hospital, course committee member. Then third member is Mr. Anil Sitaram Gujar, who is Secretary Maharashtra Arogya Mandal, Secretary Sani Guruji Hospital, Secretary Sumatibai Shah Ayurvedic College. Our board of trustee members are President is Principal Shankara Maruti Dingne, who is ex-executive managing committee member and life member Raj Shikshan Sanstha and Bharati Vidyapit, member of advisory board Karamveer Bhaura Patil Pata Sanstha. Our vice president is Professor Mrs. Shailaja Jayavant Thoke, who is principal YCMOU Yoga College Satara, president Sakul Sari Samaj Mahila Mandal, vice president Yoga Vidya Dham Satara, member Priyadarshini Club, Yoga Pandit, Yoga Pradhyapika, food nutritionist and pharmacist. Our secretary is Professor Dr. Mrs. Mangal Hemant Dahen, who is a leadership fellow of USA, PhD Electrical Engineering, more than 30 years of teaching experience in UG PG Engineering College, professional associate AP LPG 19, East West Center USA, certified professional and peer coacher USA, leading international speaker, expert counselor, mentor, author of technical books of 4 universities and 1 Marathi English poem book, senior member of IEEE USA, member of Institution of Engineers India, life member of IST Delhi, member of International Association of Engineers, member of International Online Engineers. Our treasurer is Dr. Jayavant Manohar Thoke, who is ENT surgeon, MD Thoke Hospital, founder member of Ajinkya Mitra Samuha. Our members are Professor Jagannath Panduranga Desai, Executive Chairman Rashtriya Samajik Parishad, President Maharashtra Sahitya Parishad Hadapsar, फाउंडर कर्मवीर भाऊराव पाटील पतसंस्था लिमिटेड. ट्रस्टी मेंबर जनसेवा फाउंडेशन. ट्रस्टी मेंबर हडपसर व्हेजिटेबल मार्केट कमिटी मेंबर. ॲडव्हायझरी कमिटी सुमतीबाई शहा आयुर्वेदिक कॉलेज गोवा फ्रीडम फायटर संघ. Our trustee member is Mrs. Chitra Sunil Dingne, engineering project consultant, establishment of software company, office setups and admin operation. Ex-project director, Systems Logics, Cybite USA, ex-project consultant, QSoft Private Limited, subsidiary of QVI USA. Then trustee member is Mr. Harshal Hemanden, who is proprietor of Harsham Bliss. Our organization has established different centers. There are 7 centers, and first center is Dhyanam, 11 Dimensions, Center for Holistic Development, Curriculum Enrichment and Execution. We collaborate with different educational institutes to assist them in grooming multidimensional, mentally strong and well-balanced personalities of students, including their behavior, attitude and values. Our highly specialized, well-known, reputed experts team in the respective field have designed different value-added certificate courses to enrich conventional curriculum for holistic and all-round development of students as well as teachers. Each course is developed considering age groups, types of institutes and educational programs being imparted. As per the need of institute, our expert team will execute very well choreographed short programs and certificate courses finely tuned with your day-to-day schedule. Different topics on which certificate courses or short-term training programs which can be conducted on yoga, blended meditation, neuro-linguistic programming, positive thinking, physical, mental and psychological health, career counseling, social values and responsibility, student-centric learning, experiential learning, lifelong learning, skill development, soft skill development, time management, gender equality. Our second unit is Bodhanam. It's 7th Heaven, Center of Human Development. And its second unit, there are again 7 subsections are there. Depending upon the age groups, we are conducting different training programs on ancient and spiritual science. And subsections are depending upon the age: Garbham unit, Shishunam unit, Balyam unit, Kumaram unit, Tarunyam unit and Grihastham unit and Vruddham unit. Right from the womb of mother to up to the death. Different training programs are designed depending upon the need of person. And third center, which is newly launched, is Titiksha Spiritual Retreat Center. This center carries out following activities: facilitating meditation space, infrastructure, things to meditate in our techno-holistic hub area. Then organizing spiritual programs, seminar, conferences and workshop for promoting peaceful and blissful human life. Like running residential, spiritual, short-term, long-term programs, diploma and certificate courses, executing research and research courses related to spirituality, facilitating space, facilities, instruments and equipments for research activities, exchange of spiritual, sacred, holy, occult literature, food and atoms for spreading and promoting Indian ancient culture all over the world and getting high standard quality objects to Indians. Our next center is Cloud9, but it is the future planning, yet it's not started, which is a health center, disease treatment center. Then Shodhanam, which is Chitabasa, Research and Facility Mobilization Center. It's also our future plan. Then Prasadam, Amralokata, which will be Publication and Broadcasting Center. It's also our future plan. 7th center is Kalyanam, Anandamaya, Center of Humanitarian Activities and Social Welfare Center. It will be executed right from the now. This center will carry out different humanitarian activities which will be totally free on charitable basis. We seek your contributions in any center as voluntary, regular, part-time directors, manager, coordinators, employees, clerical, office staff, volunteer team members of our experts, consultants, counselors for any above unit, centers based on your knowledge and skills, team members on paid basis depending upon your time engagement of our experts, consultant, counselors for any above unit, centers based on your knowledge and skills, becoming our resource persons, executors, trainers for conducting any programs based on your knowledge and skills, our facility seeker, then sponsoring any programs, donating and giving funds. We are state and central government recognized organization and can provide income tax rebate certificates. Donations in any form, land, space, facilities, instruments, books, etc. are welcome. What will be your benefits? You will be entitled but not limited to the following benefits while working with us. Listed on the working team of our organization, opportunities for social and noble work at national level as our organization is registered authority trust. Receive certificate from our organization for your social and other contributions. Will get income tax rebate for your financial contributions. Receive a special concession in course fees for attending our seminar workshop programs. Access to the latest developments in your field of expertise to study its results and outcome implementations. Establish yourself as well-known expert in your field. Gain a platform to introduce your ideas by actively participating in the development process. Career prospects for with our organizations and strengthening of your resume, name and fame. If you would like to join us in any form, send your resume and nature of probable contributions. You can write or contact to this address or you can call on this cell number.